Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry work from home job lead for you. This one requires absolutely no experience. I know I have seen comments recently that are asking for jobs that have no experience. So whether you are just getting into the work from home workforce, or you've been out of work a little bit, or you're straight out of college, no matter what your situation is, this one might be for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I'm sharing are directly linked for your ease of access in the YouTube description box below this video. I just ask one small favor, that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Also share with all your friends and family, because why not? Let's all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead, though, is from the company Verisys. I hope I am saying that right. Like Verify Systems at short, Verisys. They have 162 reviews nonetheless on Glassdoor, with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote full-time data entry rep. This is going to be entry level, no experience needed. Now, they are paying $15 an hour, which is $600 a week. They are only hiring in certain states though, so make sure if you're interested that you check right here on the top of the application page to see if your state is listed. But they're basically looking for somebody to analyze or review documents, finding relevant data in that documents, and taking that data and adding it into their system database. You'll do additional research as necessary to find source, including contacting the data authority for guidance on how to interpret the documents if you're stuck somewhere. So you'll have clear communication with your coworkers and management staff, taking on additional periodic projects as needed. So they're looking for somebody who can just complete those data entry items into the data entry work queue in a timely and efficient manner. Now, as far as what they're looking for, just a high school diploma or GED, and you must be 18 years or older. That is the only requirements. Now, if you have healthcare or data entry experience, that's a plus. Put it on your resume. It's not required. They do need somebody who is self-motivated and willing to accept ownership of the task and project, someone who can work as a team, someone who can learn quickly, and someone who can navigate computer systems, specifically those Microsoft Office systems, but no actual experience is required. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.